Hello guys, today we have our next commercial product from our website for Design Knowledge Studio. So this is a weekly planner for landscape mode. You can see that it start with this if not now then when. This is a very famous quote, and also you can see that the 2022 digital weekly planner. Once we tap on this quote, you will go to the planner contents. So you can see that in the left side you can have all the monthly layouts, and also in the middle you have all the yearly layouts, and then in the bottom part you have note papers and also the sections. We have 10 sections for the planner, and also there's some kind of section to write down some kind of notes for this planner. So let's explore this weekly planner. If we go to the monthly section, you can see that for each month you have month and also the goal layout and also reviews and the budget layout. So let's see one by one. So let's go to the April month. So you can see that this is our monthly layout, but you can see that in the top of this you have personal, work, goal, review and finance tab buttons. Once you click personal one, you will treat it with another separate monthly layout. When you tap on work, you can go to another separate monthly view. That means you have both monthly layout for the personal and work layouts. So that's a very kind of way you can separate your personal life and work life in here. And then you have your goals, and then you have review, and then you have finance plan. This is for each month, so you will have the monthly review and finance plan for each month. You can all change your month. You can all track your budget and finances in this layout. Let's go back to our main index page. So what you have to do is just tap on these 3 lines on the top of the planner. So then if we look about yearly layouts, so first one is the 2020 calendar. This is the 2020 calendar. Each monthly calendar you will have weekly numbers in front of each line. So you can also go to these weekly pages by tapping on these numbers. Let's say we want to go to March, the week 13, you can just tap on it. So this is the weekly layout. In this planner also you have 2 weekly layouts. One is this kind of list view of the days of each week. Also you have schedule. This is you can schedule the weekly dates in an efficient manner. Then you can go back to your planner view. So also have some kind of mini monthly layout here, so you can track some important dates and weeks here. Also we can link to each week from these side tabs. You can click on this to go to each week. So let's go back to our main index page. So also in the bottom part of this you have note papers. You have blank one, then line 1, then grid and dotted, finally corner type. This is very good for the students to write down their notes. And let's go to yearly overview tab. So this is the yearly overview. So you can write down you can check and glance at your year. So you can have very important dates and important events on each month, and also the top goals for the year, also bucket list for the year. So this is a very brief overview for the year. So I think this will be very helpful. So in top you have quarter planning and key dates and 2023 overview as well. So first check about quarter one. Yeah, this is the quarter 1 layout, then quarter 2 layout you have, then 3 and 4. Then you have key dates. Key dates means you can write down so you won't miss any dates, important dates from your life. So that's very important to write down all the key dates. And then what you have is 2023 overview. So you can, if you're planning year ahead, you can write down the important things in this 2023 overview. So master navigation layout. So you have 4 buttons in right top of the planner. First one is the yearly overview. The second one is your my goals for the year. Then third one is the yearly finance page, and fourth one is the yearly saving tracker. So savings is very important, so that is why I take separate line link to the this planner, so you can each time you can easily go to your saving tracker and see what you have done so far, what you have saved so far. So I think this is a very important one. Then this right side you have your monthly tabs. You can easily go to each month by tapping on these monthly tabs. So this is a very minimalistic and basic layout planner, so you can enjoy the minimalism of the planner. So everything is very minimal, so we will not be distracted by any other thing. So very focused on your mind. Also in the left side you have weekly numbers. You can also go to the week number by click on these little weekly numbers on each month layout. Also you can see join our community. You can see we have share weekly freebies there, and also you can explore our other products, digital planning products in our Xodo. And so I have added 10 sections to manage your notes. So I think that's all of that. If you have any questions or any other queries or any modifications for this planner, and if you need to customize this planner for your all needs, so then I think you can contact me via Etsy message or my email. So I think that's all up to now. Thank you.